In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google Maps zoomed in. Whether you're planning a road trip or simply exploring your local area, having Google Maps at just the right zoom level can make a huge difference in your map experience. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google browser. This can be Chrome or any other browser that suits your preference, though I recommend Chrome as it generally offers better integration with Google services. Once you have your browser open, look towards the top right corner. There's a little icon that looks like a grid or a cluster of small squares. This is your Google Apps icon. Go ahead and click on it. After opening the Google Apps menu, you'll see a list of various Google services. Among these, click on Maps. This will take you directly to the Google Maps interface. Now we are ready to ensure you know how to navigate your zoom options effectively. To zoom in or out using a mouse, simply use the scroll wheel. Scrolling up zooms in, while scrolling down zooms out. This method is straightforward and gives you precise control over the zoom level, which is particularly handy when you're trying to pinpoint a location on these intricate digital maps. If you're using a laptop with a trackpad, it's just as easy. You can use two finger gestures to zoom in and out. By moving your two fingers apart, you zoom in, and by pinching them together, you zoom out. This gesture-based zoom function mimics the same gestures on a touchscreen, making it intuitive for many users. Now, if you're more inclined to use your keyboard, there's another method you might prefer. If you're working on a Windows computer, you can press Control and the plus sign to zoom in, or Control and the minus sign to zoom out. This keyboard shortcut is a quick way to adjust your view without taking your hands off the keys, which may be your go-to method if you're multitasking. These techniques for zooming in and out on Google Maps can be incredibly helpful. Whether you're getting an overhead view of your entire country or diving in for a street level view, knowing these methods ensures you'll always have control over how much detail you're seeing. Additionally, it can help in data entry when you're marking places of interest or planning routes, as you'll be able to quickly adjust the viewing scale without interrupting your thought process. With these strategies at your fingertips, you can make sure that Google Maps provides the most accurate and efficient guidance possible. And that wraps up our guide on keeping Google Maps zoomed in. Thanks for tuning in and happy exploring.